forward.
Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Kathleen Reddington with your hedge fund headlines. Today is Thursday, July 31st, 2008. According to Bloomberg News, DLJ Merchant Banking Partners, the New York-based private equity unit of Credit Suisse, said Stephen Rattner stepped down as chairman after more than 20 years at the firm, once known as Donaldson, Lufkin & Jenrette. Rattner, 48, is retiring to spend more time with his family, according to Suzanne Fleming, a Credit Suisse spokeswoman in New York. She also declined any further comment. Nicole Arnaboldi, Credit Suisse's vice chairman of alternative investments, is the new head of the unit, the company said today in a statement. DLJ Merchant Banking raised a $2.1 billion fund, its fourth in October 2006, and seeks to invest in companies valued at less than $2 billion. And staying with hedge fund news, Telegraph is reporting that Informa is being approached by a company with the Kingdom of Dubai's backing. Informa is the publisher of Lloyd's List. Informa said in a statement that it has received a preliminary approach from a further third party and as a result is providing access to information and materials. Blackstone, one of the world's largest buyout groups, is understood to be the third party behind the latest approach. Blackstone has held talks with a Dubai-based vehicle believed to be the Dubai World Trade Center about mounting a joint offer for Informa. And in more hedge fund news, according to Alternative Investment News, Alpha North Asset Management will seek European investors for its Canada-focused hedge fund. CEO and President Steve Palmer said the firm will visit European fund of funds and family offices in October. The Alpha North Partner Fund holds around 24 million Canadian dollars, and the firm is seeking to grow it to capacity just under 100 million Canadian dollars. The small and micro cap Canadian strategy launched in December and has returned over 35% to the end of June. And in other hedge fund news, Reuters is reporting that Sale Advisors Limited, one of Asia's largest homegrown fund of hedge fund managers, has hired Vincent Duhamel as its new CEO. Hong Kong-based Duhamel, a former Goldman Sachs managing director, will replace Eliza Lau. She previously served as both chief executive and chief investment officer. Sale said Lau would remain as chief information officer and continue to oversee its portfolios. The Hong Kong-based firm had about $2.5 billion in assets under management as of the end of June. And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our hedge fund channel online, read the full stories and the latest developments.